Welcome to the channel, guys. So today in this video I'll be giving a quick interior walk around of this car. So this is Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza ZX I variant. So this is 2021 version. So the major change in the 2021 version is that you are getting dual projector headlamp and a different front grille. So there are also a lot of extra stuff which are added to this car, which are called Maruti genuine parts. For example, the 3 bits you see here on the cladding is actually a extra bit that is added. And if you look it from the side, there is a chrome and on the doors. So even that thing is from the Maruti genuine parts. The chrome line you see here on the door is actually the extra, comes into accessories. And the car also has the request sensors on both the sides. And one more accessory is that this on the footboard, I think this is called a skid plate. And since this is a ZXi variant, you also get the alloy wheels on this car. And this is how the car looks from the rear side. And the chrome line you see here is also a Maruti genuine part. And there are also 3 bits here which comes into the accessories. So let me quickly show you what the car looks from inside. So this is how the rear door handle looks like. It has lock unlock, open the door function and power window control. And you can fit 1 liter bottle here and 1 speaker. And this is how the rear seat looks like. It has got 2 headrests, no center headrest, and a handrest here at the center with cup holders. So this is the handrest with cup holders. And one more good thing about this car is that here is the parcel shelf which is accessible, so you can access the rear boot space from the parcel shelf itself. Let me quickly get in and show you. So door shuts with the proper thud. So here is a little bit storage space, no USB charging function available here. And there is a small hook, so you can hook up to 3 kgs here. And a handle with a hook. Even on this side there is a handle with hook. And the lighting here. So this is how the dashboard of the car looks from the rear side. So let's see the car from the driver's point of view. So this is the driver's door, and here the door space is a bit more. You can fit a 1 liter bottle as well as some extra stuffs here. So on the right side there are power window controls, lock unlock. These are all the controls for the ORVM, AC, tweeters, ORVM. And this is how the steering of the car looks. So it has got analog part digital instrument console. So you can also change the color of this. So there are 5 ambient colors you can change on the instrument console. And the dashboard is quite made of hard plastic, but still it is of quite good quality, so there is no complaints there. And inside IRVM has auto dimming function. And this is the sun blinder. So the driver side sun blinder doesn't have any mirrors or light, but the passenger side sun blinder has the mirror as well as the light here. So on the press of the button you can start. So there is a handle on the passenger side, there is no handle on the driver's side. And this is the glove box. So you are getting 2 glove box here. So since this is a VXI variant, the glove box is not cooled. ZXI actually. So if you take ZXI plus, this first glove box here you will get is the cold one. So this is a 7-inch touch display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay function, AC vents, parking light, and all the AC controls. Here there is, so this is to connect with the display, aux and USB, and a 12-volt socket right here. So 5-speed gearbox and 2 cup holders, little space, and a parking brake. So since this is a ZXi variant, you won't get any handrest here. There is a handrest in a ZXi plus variant. And also this is how the steering looks, all the volume controls, and to receive the call or to decline the call, also you'll get Google commands here. Once you press the button, you can use this like Google Assistant. It has got cruise control also. So yeah guys, this was a quick video about this car. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do comment down below. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.